Time to tackle the stairs. You ready? Go ahead. Yep, you can do it.
Gotta make sure you have that binky.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Don't get too excited. Don't get too excited. Go ahead. Come on.
Keep going. All right, Speed Demon.
Ta-da! Don't go that way.
Nice, Dad.
Yeah, I don't want to go the other way. Good job, bud. Come on, Mommy.
Okay, back up, Tyler. Mommy will come in. Good job, buddy. Yay! Clap your hands. Whose room's that? That's Tyler's room. That's your own remote control. Yay! And now the Scream Fest begins. So proud of you walking up the steps by yourself.
He's actually putting things.
You're done? He's done.